mercy of Allah is always greater than our problems. A person may lose wealth, health, relationships, or opportunities, but as long as they remain connected to Allah, they have not truly lost. Every sincere dua is heard, even if the answer comes in a different form than expected. Every hardship endured with patience removes sins and raises ranks. Every moment spent remembering Allah strengthens the soul. The believer measures success not only by worldly achievements, but by closeness to Allah and preparation for the hereafter. When we begin to see life through this Islamic perspective, every emotional struggle changes its meaning. Anger becomes an opportunity to practice self-control. Sadness becomes a reason to turn to Allah in heartfelt prayer. Fear becomes a chance to strengthen tawakkul. Loss becomes a reminder that this world is temporary. Success becomes an opportunity for gratitude instead of pride. Every experience becomes an act of worship when it brings us closer to our Creator. This is the beauty of Islam. It does not promise a life without pain, but it promises that no pain is meaningless. Every trial can become a bridge to Jannah for the one who meets it with faith, patience, gratitude, forgiveness, and complete trust in Allah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us hearts that remain steadfast through every test, tongues that constantly remember Him, and souls that find peace in His guidance until the day we meet Him. Ameen.